Tokyo is one of the most economically developed and affluent cities in the world, as well as a globally important economic, financial, and technological center, and is truly Asia's #1 metropolis, with a total area of 21,550,000 square kilometers, a resident population of 14,042,100 people, a total GDP of 6,410 billion, and the world's economic ranking of the world's third largest city, with a per capita GDP of $39,000. Tokyo has been widely recognized by the international community as one of the world's foremost famous cities, along with London, New York, and Paris. Welcome to Tokyo.